Thank you for joining us for another edition of the Optimized Weekly Market Recap. I'm Matthew McGrath, and today we'll cover an exciting week in the markets, as well as what we're watching for the week ahead. Markets finished off incredibly strong last week, with the Dow posting its longest winning streak in nearly 6 years, with its 10th straight day in the green and finishing the week up over 2%. The TSX finished the week up about 1.5%, the S&P up over 0.5%, while the Nasdaq was down slightly, 60 basis points. Taking a look at sector performance, we saw energy and healthcare lead the weekly gains, while the weakest performing ones by far were communications and consumer discretionary. Looking at the events from this past week, we saw a few things of note. Number one, we saw some very promising Canadian inflation data. Our annual inflation rate fell to just 2.8%, a new 2-year low, and well within the Bank of Canada's target range. Secondly, we saw second quarter earnings season off to a tremendous start, as literally 77% of the S&P 500 companies who have already reported have beaten expectation. This has helped drive positive market sentiment, of course, and showcase the continued resilience for consumers. Thirdly, and in line with this sentiment, the Goldman Sachs chief economist cut the odds of a U.S. recession in the next year on better than expected economic data. Second quarter GDP growth came in at only 2.3%, and unemployment fell to just under 3.6%, underlining the health of the U.S. economy. For the week ahead, all eyes will certainly be on Wednesday's interest rate decision by the Fed in the U.S. Analysts are widely expecting a 25 basis point increase, and the tone of the press conference will be watched closely for signs on future policy decisions. Additionally, U.S. employment numbers will be out on Wednesday, which will shed light on the labor market and the health of the overall U.S. economy. Lastly, it's going to be a big week for earnings, with Alphabet, Microsoft, GM, Unilever, and a number of others reporting. Overall, we've had an extremely exciting week in the markets, and another one certainly coming up with the Fed press conference, the labor market data, and earnings season coming into full swing. Until next time, thanks for watching and see you soon.